Hey everybody, it's day 2 of our father-son adventure. If you missed the first episode, click this link up here because you don't want to miss it when Dad got us totally lost last night.
I wasn't driving.
You were in the navigator seat. Anyhow, guys, click that subscribe button. Let's do this. This morning we are going to visit the Hoover Dam, but first we need breakfast. We're going to be trying out the Southwest Diner here in Boulder City, Nevada. Not only did we need a cup of coffee to start the day off right, I am going to try a local favorite. Okay, so for breakfast here we're going to try Santa Fe potato pancakes, and they're green.
I got it.
Hang on here, let me get a picture of this sucker. I wasn't expecting green.
I'll send that to Bob.
There we go.
I'll send that to Bob and Julie.
All right.
Bob and Julie, because they know that I can't stand walking on.
Oh God, so it's like corn in there? Oh, those are good. Here, try those. There's a little spice. I got some green chili.
No. Nothing green. Nothing green.
Dad, did you like my green pancakes?
Yes, I did.
See? Told you, should have got them. Our next stop is the Lake Mead Overlook, where I filmed Sunrise in the last episode. Dad lived his entire life in Indiana, so this is new country for him. Hoover Dam is a legend. It's one of those things that we read about in history class and see pictures of, but nothing compares to actually seeing it in person. This is unexpected, a huge parking garage on the Nevada side. We decided to take the $30 dam tour. Not only did we get to visit the dam power station, we also got in the dam inspection tunnels, and we rode to the top in the original dam elevator. There's a lot of dam stuff to do here. Here we go, started the dam tour. So we're actually inside of the walls of Black Canyon right now. Oh, this must be where the water comes in. So you can see the water dripping down some of these walls. You nervous?
No.
This is the power generation station on the Nevada side. Unfortunately, I was not able to sell any of these images as stock. The reason? Well, apparently you need a property release for this federal government project. Tourism was built into the dam. We are now entering the actual dam itself. This section of the inspection tunnels were made more appealing by the use of subway tiles. These inspection tunnels run through steel reinforced sections of the dam. They allow engineers to monitor changes in the dam and to inspect for cracks. These tunnels also could make for some interesting abstract stock images. Here is the first image sold from Hoover Dam. Oh my gosh, look at that.
Look at that.
Oh geez, and this is going back down. My God, this thing's huge. Once at the top, you can stand on the Nevada-Arizona state line running right through the middle of the dam. You can also take in the view of Lake Mead with the water intake towers. From one angle, the water looks blue, but from another, it is an iridescent green. After we got our fill of the dam, it was back to Boulder City for some smoothies at Grandma Daisy's. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that tour of Hoover Dam with my dad and I. We stopped off for some smoothies, and next stop is going to be the Grand Canyon Skywalk, but you gotta tune in to the next episode for that one, so see y'all later.